Welcome to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to look at developing a simple lucky number guessing game using user input, random numbers and an if then else statement. Right, so let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is import the necessary module. So we need to import the random module, and we're going to choose a target number for the user to guess, and we're going to create a random number between 1 and 10 using the randint function. Next, we're going to get the guess from the user using an input statement. So, using an input statement, input your guess between 1 and 10. And what we'll actually do here is we'll convert that into an integer at this point here. Alright, I think we've got a missing. Make sure we close that quote. Alrighty, so now we're going to use an if statement. So if the guess corresponds to the target, then that means that their guess is correct. So we want to print some recognition of that. So we'll just print out correct and well done. Otherwise, in other words, the guess is not correct, we'll use an else statement and we'll print wrong and then the correct answer was, and then we'll use a placeholder here and then format. We'll print out what the target number was. Okay, close that bracket, save that, save it to a file, so we'll just call it lucky number, and let's just run it. And it runs okay, so we're going to guess a number, make that 7, and in this case we guessed incorrectly. Now, just to do a little bit of a cheat here, we'll print out the target number and see what happens when we actually get the answer correct. We'll just print out target, save that, rerun. So in this case we know that the target number is 4, so print that out, and we see we get the positive answer. Now, of course, before we let this program loose, comment that line out again, save it, and we're done. Okay, thanks. Hopefully that was useful for you. See you next time.